How to change profile picture in ZipRecruiter. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for www.ziprecruiter.com. Make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, tap on the profile option you see on the bottom of your screen. Further, tap on the edit button beside your name. In the interface that you will be led to, tap on the edit button below your profile picture. Now, select from where you want to upload the picture from. You can upload from your library or your file, or you can also take a picture by tapping on the photo option. Once you have selected the image, scroll down to the bottom and tap on the Save button in order to save the changes that you just made, and with this, your profile picture will be changed. So, this is how you can change profile picture in ZipRecruiter. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.